Guys, today we are going to make a human made of quilling paper. The things we need are quilling paper, quilling tool and glue. Let's start!
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that
Now, this is the head of the human. Take the glue and done. Now we are going to make the body of the human.
So then, why?
And here we have the body. Now we need to stick the head to the body. Now give some time to dry. Now I am using this strip for the hands. Quilling.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's
Now
something that
spread
moves.
it. Now pinch the both ends with your index and thumbs. Here it is, the hand. Now repeat the same step what I said before.
So then, why?
Now we need to stick the hands to the body. Now take the another hand and glue to the body. dry for a while. Now I'm using this colored strip for the legs. Now start quilling. Now loose the strip a little bit, like this, like this.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described.
Now pinch the
Create
one
an
end
imaginary picture.
hard and pinch the other end lightly, like this. Now one leg is over. Just we need to stitch the extra part. And done. Now repeat the same step. Start doing it like this.
So then, why?
Now do like this. Now the other leg is done. Now start sticking the legs to the body like this. Press the leg. Now do the same thing to the other leg.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. It's something that moves.
And give some time to dry. Now there it is. Thanks for watching.